music all they want. I just want to buy outside. Yeah. Alrighty. Let me show something outside. And over my daughter's house. Good cold and I dropped the house. Alright, we'll get started in a second. Still trying to get set up. Hold on. Haven't found out nothing. On my old. Alright, open it up and take her out. And she tell her friends, I want to roll it up and put it down. And she tell her friends, I'm no. I'm probably gonna slip away. I'm gonna let her kick it with me, cause I think she pretty, yeah. I'm in New York City. Get all my stuff set up. Shake it, she got, yeah. Tell her, shake it, break it, baby, yeah, oh yeah. We was able to catch a long. We took this long on Nas earlier. Let me see if I can pull it up on my live account. How do I show my positions on my live account? Oh, here we go. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know what that is, but we took this long earlier on Nas. Execution 23,570. Yeah, got in here. Then we got out up here. I still think Nas gonna long up for a little bit. What's going on? What's the word? So yeah, I took that Nas trade earlier while I was at work, and I also took this. I was in this gold setup too. Yeah, I sold. I had some selling orders here already in gold. Shit. I still think Nas gonna move higher for a little bit longer. think it's gonna keep moving a little bit higher before it retraces back here. We just mark it out, look at it, they run our levels on it. I have not been seeing like any like AMD setups for real. I've been catching like all fib level trades. This shit just been consolidating. This shit might long. I'm on a live account. So you shorted right now? Okay. I guess it's kind of been doing like little AMD setups right here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. Oh, here it is right here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal, accumulation. Okay. So we have been doing little AMDs. Manipulation. This shit gonna sell back down to 346. Yeah. That's what it look like it's gonna happen. It's gonna sell down to this probably this 346. Looking on a late night. I got so happy. Looking at a late night. Let me see. Get that bitch in the morning. I got snoring. Wake up. Alright. Let's mark up. I can give you everything and more. No, I know if I can snore. Like on a late night. I got some. Nah, it's a 24 before reverse. Yeah, bro. I think Nas still long back up. Back to 24 before it reverses. Hey, bitch, good morning. I get that bitch, good morning. I'm gonna run multiple fibs on here too, but yeah, I still see Nas long enough for a little bit longer before it really pulls back down. Before it comes down and take out these equal lows. Yeah, bro. I think this shit continues to long up a little bit longer. I might actually play that. Stop loss under these equal lows. I could play that. It'll be an in and out play. I might actually play that. 6-1. Let's see on that weekly too. Oh shit, we almost there. All right, here we go. Yeah, I think this shit probably go to 24. I just wanna get to you. So down. Yeah, this shit going to 24. 24, or it might undershoot it before it return back around. You know what? I might actually do that little play just to test it. $24, $182. So, I don't think the sellers are here just yet. At least the sale that I'm looking for, I don't think so. You might be able to still. I mean, I'm sure you'll still be able to like get a little sale, depending on what your strategy is. Cause I know some people trade on a 15 second, so it's like you might be able to get a sale, but the sale that I'm looking for, I don't see it yet. But I'm gonna show you. I can show you where it's. That motherfucker gonna sell back down. If it's the deep retrace, I would expect it to come back down into this area, right back into this order block. And if it overshoot it, it's gonna be in this order block. So you can mark this whole area out right here, honestly. Gonna get to know you. So I'll be looking for something like that for a deep retracement. Now let's see. So I wouldn't be playing that right now. What's the word, bro? You got out your losing streak? Good stuff. Nah, man. And good. Yeah. If I'm gonna re-enter this, I'll wait for a little pullback. But I still think it's long sub before it gives me like my actual deep retracement that I'm looking for. What's the word, SK? %50 retracement. Price always does that retracement at the same little levels. That pullback. Just running from order block to order block. It's the same shit every time. Hold on. Oh shit, I just figured something out, bro. How to catch a pullback entry. It's the same shit every time. Wait, how the fuck did I just run that? Hold on. What about, yeah, order block to order block. That's how you catch the retracement. To catch a sale here. I would have wanted to catch this sale. This is when I got in the sale here. Because I thought this was it the other day. Like, okay, this that sale back down. That shit just kept longing. I'll see what this higher time frame candle do. Yeah, it's been a good month so far. Hopefully your trade's been going good too. Yeah. Yeah, I still think gold goes, not gold, I still think Nas goes up. I think it pulls a little bit higher. I would rather get in like on a pullback. It don't look like it when they give me a pullback, at least not right now. That's why I keep rerunning my levels just to see like where I could get that pullback. These equal lows here. Yeah, bro. I do think, like, I know it's gonna come back down. Take out these goddamn lows. Yeah, that shit gonna come down and take out these lows. I think it goes to 24. I think it goes to like 20, close to 24. If not 24, close to 24. All right. What's the word? Juice? What's the word? But yeah, we've been doing good on that live account. I most definitely like live account trading real money over the combine, but they both serve different purposes. I think Nas gonna keep expanding up before that pullback, that bigger pullback that I'm looking for. And I really see that, like, and I really see it still going up, even if when I just look at my weekly too. Yeah, bro. I think that shit go to 24. But just because I might be looking for it, I won't be playing like any type. I won't be playing any type of short right here. Like I'm not playing that because I'm looking for a deeper. Like I'm looking for that bigger pullback, like one of these pullbacks, like a bigger leg. But just because I might be looking for that, don't mean you know like you can still catch shorts in between any of this depending on your strategy. But I don't trade like that. But I like to catch shit like this, like big legs. So that's what I would be looking for. But I don't think Nas is gonna give me that retracement back yet. Let's look at some gold too. But yeah, I took. I wish I was still in that loan, low key. But I already had two. I had two TPs on this. Mm-mm. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word, Jazz? What's the word, Dylan? Mm-mm. What's the word, Sam? Agent session already started. Let's look at some gold now. I do think Nas gonna keep expanding though. I don't know if I really want to play that yet though. I would rather wait for like a here. I'll show you what I'll be waiting for. Let me go back right quick. For me to get in, I don't like getting in on plays that's already like moving. Like for me, I would want it to do like a little 15-minute pullback or something. Like no, like I want to come down a little bit more. Maybe take out these little lows. Maybe pull it back down here more closer to that, more closer to like that 800. But probably won't get that, and I really don't care. Because I can just keep trading gold and something else until right when it reverses, I'm gonna most definitely catch that short. But yeah, bro. No, 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 no. Yeah. Once you start a live account, bro, I swear, like once you start trading real money, I feel like I don't even want to go back to a combine. I'm gonna go back, but it's like once you really start like trading your real money and you see like your profit, it's like man, fuck that, fuck that combine. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. No, Asia session started at like 5. 4 hour Nas looking bearish. Hold on, man. I don't see that. Mm-mm. 4 hour Nas don't look bearish to me yet. I would want the 4 hour to make a order block, like a bearish order block. we got indecision, but indecision doesn't really. I mean, we still got an hour 30 for this to close. So yeah, I would want to see how we close out and how we open up. But even then, I would still see Nas. Even if it did give a pullback, I don't expect it giving us. I don't expect it to give that big pullback that I'm looking for to take out these lows yet. Maybe we'll get like a little pullback. But I really need to see that. I need to see like a red candle or on a 4 hour. Like I would want to see something else because maybe we just pull back here to this 23,725. Then boom, we continue back expanding higher up to 24,000. So if it does drop down from here, that's what I would be expecting. I wouldn't be expecting like a huge. I wouldn't be expecting to swing trade that. Like I wouldn't be expecting like, okay, I'm gonna hold this trade out all week, because I wouldn't expect it to go all the way back down to the 380. Real money is better, bro. Like it's a lot better. I used to think combines were that, and like I used to think I was never use my real money until I started doing it. Then like when you can physically, like I could pull out profit every day. Like that's the beautiful part about it. Like I can pull out profit whenever I want. Whenever like whenever I want. How much capital? I put 50 in to start my live account. $50 in to start. Yeah, we're talking about a live account. No, I'm not looking for a short. You talking about gold loans? Possibly. I haven't even started like marking up gold yet. I'm gonna start marking it up though. But yeah, I was just talking about the live account. I guess I trade like the Forex version of everything. So my account is through Trade Locker. My account is through KOT4X, but it's connected through Trade Locker. But yeah, you can put however much money you want to put in. Like I used to think you had to put like four figures, like hundreds of dollars, four figure plus to get in. But you can put however much you want to put in there, bro. But do you see the 4 hour candle before the all-time high pullback? Yeah. You see the 4 hour candle before the all-time high pullback? Talking about this candle, the candle that's already closed, or that doji we're forming? Yeah, I wouldn't be. That's what I was just telling them. I wouldn't be. I mean, like you can play a short, and I'm sure you can make some money off of it. But I personally wouldn't be playing a short. I would be looking for if it pulls back. I won't be trying to catch that short because I know that short not gonna be long. At least I wouldn't be expecting that short to drop all the way back down. I think we expand higher. I think we go to 24 first before we pull all the way back. So if we did pull back, I would just be catching an entry here. I'll just be catching an entry somewhere in this zone up to 24. So I would be looking for something like that. But then from 24, then I would just be gauging price because I would be looking for price to come and take these lows. Boom. Retrace back down. Or we can just get some crazy ass news tomorrow and it just come down and take the lows. But if it comes down to take the lows tomorrow, then I know what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for an entry somewhere down here. I'll just be looking for another re-entry. Nah, you are good. You are good, Kennedy. I mean, but you can always, I mean, just take what you feel confident in. Like there's so many different ways to make money. Like just because I might be looking for a certain play, You can be playing opposite of me, and we can both be making money. So I don't like when people just be like, well, there's only one way. If it only goes up or only goes down, like, bro, just play the market how you see the market. Like, I still see Nas expanding a little bit higher before we get that deeper retracement. But I'm gonna look at gold in a second too. Yeah, we just blowing past these levels, bro. But a little rejection on the 113. But yeah, what I really see it on a weekly. Like if I run my field from this order block to order block, like went right past the 161. I think we're going straight to 200, bro. I think we're going to 24. So it's like I can play it now, but I would be looking like if it does a little pullback, I would just be looking for a re-entry in that zone that I kind of already pointed out. I appreciate your follow, Joe. Oh no, not you, yeah. I'm not talking about you as judging. I'm just saying in general. Like I know a lot of people might talk that way, or a lot of people are just small brained and think there's only one way. Three tips for new traders. Discipline, patience, and back test. Like, I don't know if there's 3 tips, but I just combine discipline and patience. Like having discipline. Like once you really start trading and like getting into it, you will really understand like it's not just discipline within your trading, but it's discipline within like your daily life, your daily schedule, the way that you live. Like you become way more disciplined in your lifestyle. Yeah, really just know that it's not gonna be easy. Like there is no quick answer, there is no quick solution. Then yeah, don't feel rushed, because a lot of people make you try to feel rushed, or a lot of people like just because they might pass a funded account, they still not making no profit. So it's like, be patient. I say don't try to rush, but try to fully understand the market, because that's my goal. My goal is to fully understand every single market that I trade. So either that's options, swing, day trading, like Bitcoin, like like crypto, bonds, whatever I might be trading or doing. Long-term investing, short-term, I want to be able to read it, digest the chart, look at all the technicals, combine with news, and to trade it. And that's what I'm doing now. Tell you how it works. Shit, you click a button, buy or sell. It go up, it go down. You make money in either way. Shit, watch some YouTube. Shit, I'm not about to explain all that, but yeah, watch a YouTube. But you can you can start any day. You can start today. It's called. Yeah, this is just a form of day trading. It's called day trading. But yeah, you can start any day. If you want to start for free, use FX Replay. You can start for free. Yep, TT Trades is really good. I like TT Trade. Oh, me, Jazz. Well, we know a lot of people like a lot of times, like if they pass in evals but not like building consistency, a lot of them are just rushing. They're like so eager to get a payout. Like if you that eager to get a payout, bro, get a live account. Like seriously. Like if you really want to get paid, let's get a live account. But even then, like if you don't have a strategy or build some type of consistency, you just gonna be burning equity. You're not gonna be able to scale it. And that's one of the hardest parts is really trying to scale it. All right, let me look at this gold too. I don't like looking at this gold right now, bro. I've been playing this gold like up and down in this joint. Look at this, bro. I traded gold up and down this joint. Like I like catching shorts, catching longs. I just do not like the area we're in right now. I'm tired of playing this shit. Like give me a leg. Give me something I could just let it sit there and just give me a leg. I can't stand trading this right now. But I wasn't as short. I was in this short. Where my positions go? Yeah. Was in this short. Then I was in this long. Then I got out of this long really quick. I think that's it. I think that's the long. Or this is the long here. I don't know. It's somewhere. On me, just gonna blow that live account. Also, like, ask ChatGPT to give you correct you like a risk to reward plan based on your strategy and how much you want to risk. I did that with my live account. It's really helpful. So, bro, I love AMD, bro. Yeah. And also a tip for new traders, bro. If you don't know AMD, learn AMD. Honestly, learn AMD. Just learning AMD alone really transformed my trading. Just knowing what market phase we're in. This week has been freaking butt trying to look at AMD, but like when you're looking at like a session AMD, it's been butt. But yeah, AMD is really helpful. All right, I keep freaking talking, but not looking at this. This is where I saw my short at too. I had my fifth in this manipulation. We went right up to our 70, 78 range. I was in this short. Then I was looking for that short. I was looking for gold to retrace back down to this 30 this 3250. Like I still like a part of me still feel like it's going back down to this 3250. But I got out of that sale. You can see it better here because of this. We started expanding up a little bit. So it's like I don't know, like gold kind of been in a spot where it's like, all right, bro, like I don't know. It's like everything else is still telling me we're right at the 50 and 38. This shit might actually long. You catch it from boom boom. That shit might long. Hold on. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Hold on. Okay, but if gold longs, then I would be expecting Nas to short. So I would be expecting Nas to go straight to 24, then reverse. Or we have to like get some type of news or something like that. But if Nas starts turning around, like if Nas has a big sell off, then I'm long and gold. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Bombs in the base, cause pretty much shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend. Like when I run my fib here, like I see a short, boom. Okay, let me run a different one, but on top of each other. See my own short. What on top of you? You would've been a man that Ping pong, yeah. Yeah, for Nas. Yeah, because I've been sitting in that gold short, like sitting through that gold short. But like as as Nas was longing, gold started longing, and I'm like, okay, what the hell? Like we started longing, we started expanding up a little bit. I was expecting gold to keep falling down to this 3250, and I still see it going to this 3250. And it's like gold is just in a spot right now where it's like, all right, bro, we're like what are we doing? Like, are we gonna continue down? It's like whatever reaches target first. Because I'm also looking at Nas too and see what Nas is gonna do. Because Nas, I see Nas still longing, so I would still be looking for a gold short, but gold isn't really giving me like that continuation short. Those are called fib levels. Yeah, that's called a fib. Hold on. And like I was saying, shit, good. Yeah, yeah. If anything, I'll be looking for that buy-in back here. I wouldn't be expecting Nas to short all the way back down to take out the lows yet. I don't know. It's like I've been able to catch my plays, but they just been like just playing around. Like I want to just I'm trying to swing trade this, like both of them. I want to just swing trade it, but I want to catch that leg at the right time. Like I've been sitting in that freaking gold short, and they act like it never want to just drop. Media, okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. This is a lot of things too that people don't think about gold. This is like your Nas accumulation, how it just be like straight uh horizontal like this. It looks something like this, like you'll see it like equal highs, equal lows, boom. Gold likes to do dynamic equal highs and lows. So what it do is it goes up like this. It'll go up stagnant like this, creating equal highs and kind of equal lows, going up, boom, boom, boom. This is still accumulation. Boom, accumulation, manipulation, higher, take out the high, distribution back lower. That's what gold loves to do that shit. Look, it did it again. Look, it loves to do that shit. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. But here, boom, this huge bearish candle, bearish engulfing, taken out on the day, and it like it just stands stagnant right here. It act like it don't want to just drop. Like I was at least expecting gold to drop. Uh, well, I can't really say that because this. Never mind on that part. It's not just consolidation, but Yeah, Go loves doing that, bro. AMD setups within the consolidation. Yeah, I think that's a tricky part right now. Like I was saying earlier, like I still see Nas expanding higher, and I was still looking for gold to continue back short. But like today, and just kind of like how the market is like stagnant right now, it's kind of just giving. It's not allowing me to just be confident in that swing trade and just letting my trade sit. So I've been more just like not necessarily in and out, but I haven't been able to like to just let it sit and catch that full leg because we just stagnant right here. Usually, like when gold move, it move, and I was expecting gold to continue lower today because Nas was expanding higher. But gold literally just it stays stagnant right here. So I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna take some profit. But I keep eyeing this 3250, bro. Like, but it just act like it don't want to just go. How does it feel? Tomorrow gonna be bullishes. Yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I think it'll go to 33 by the end of the week. 33 flat by the end of the week. Oh, when I read 33, I was thinking, I thought you were saying 3,000. I was like, hell no, I'm not. I don't think it's going to 3,000. But yeah, like if gold gonna play out the way I think it's gonna play out, then yeah, I think it goes to 33. I might just re-enter that, bro. I might just re-enter that. Yeah, bro. I think I might just re-enter that swing. Hold on. Yeah, I might re-enter that. I ain't gonna fake it, bro. So short, say about 40. Put up to the party. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I see what you doing, gold. Party, yeah. Got stuff, shorty. Said I need about 40. Put up to the party. I'd be so gassed up. Probably so right now. Probably super thick. That's the way I like it. Leave me alone, girl, and get to it. I'm back in there, bro. I'm back in that gold setup. And I got what you like. I got what I got what you want. This is a distribution phase too. Bro, I still think this shit go to 3250, bro. Said I need about 40 to go to the party. I keep rerunning these levels too. Yeah, this shit bears on the weekly. No, stop it. Smoking on the stone. Run the fucking law. Yeah, bro. Hold on. I'm about to set my take profits. Yeah, I caught a setup today. It might still be on my TikTok story, but I caught a gold trade in that nice long earlier. Yeah. Like I'm already up on some profit on gold already. Yeah, I'm catching that shit. I'm taking that shit down there, bro. I might just swing trade that. I might just be confident in it. Gold just acting like it don't want to just work for me though. Like it acting like it don't want to go. Let me run my derivative. 3,409. 300, 3,309, 581. I think I thought so. We up $1 on gold already. Shit. I'm catching that shit, bro. I want it. I actually don't want that big of a stop loss. I don't think I. Here we go. I will put that stop loss 3,380. I think I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get it back in that Nas too. I think I got sanitation. Yes, sir. We back in that setup. Oh, I could just show y'all. Here we go. We back in that gold setup. I know the YouTube can see all my stuff, but entry here, stop loss here, TP down here. I want that, bro. I want that gold setup, dude. I wish I still had my original entry on there, but I'm not even about to trip off of it. It is what it is. Now let's look at Nas, because I might re-enter that Nas. Oh, actually, I might set up. Hold on. I'm going to draw out a limit. I'm going to put it on limit sale just in case it want to move higher too. I usually, like, if I swing trade, I be swing trading like all week. It kind of just depends on the play and how fast it move. Like Nas moves quick sometimes, so sometimes that swing trade might be a day. It could be 2 days. It could be a week. Like 5 days. It could be the whole week, bro. I swing traded until they get to my TP, or like I was doing this like today. I took some profit and I caught 2 extra trades. I'm trading gold and Nas. Did you? But yeah. The trade today. These are trades. I caught this short earlier today. I think it was from here to here. Cause I know I took some profit. I don't know where it was though, but I was already in the short, and I took some profit. I don't know where I took profit. I don't know if I took profit here or here, but I think I took profit here too. I don't know, but I took some profit today. Then I entered in a short. Then I end up entering in a long. Now I'm back in this short here. Yeah, I don't know. I posted about it though. Yeah. I know I posted my Nas one today. I don't know if I posted the gold one. 4 hour time frame. time, good time, good time. Put Sam riding the Riley. Cut the tape on money. Before. I know I've been loved before. Yeah, this shit about the loan, bro. I'm getting it. I'm getting back into that shit. Hold on. Go before. Yeah, you know I've been low before. And I'm gonna try to catch it too. I'm gonna set a limit on her too. Just in case you want to pull back more, I'm gonna set a limit buy. Look, accumulated, manipulated, distribution, accumulation, manipulation. I'm gonna set a limit by somewhere right here. I'm thinking. Is it the right? Is it the right? 23, 734. It's 23, 728. Yeah, I'm about to swing trade this, bro. I'm about to set a limit buy on that hoe. I'm targeting 24. It won't be a long trade, but good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing. Alrighty, now let's look at some take profits. Not take profits, some stop losses. If 1 hour doesn't close, we checked it off the order block I'm showing. Yeah, I mean, I always take the play that you see. There's so many different ways to make money. Like, we could be targeting, you could be targeting 58 ticks, and I could be targeting 200. So, out of those 200 ticks, you might get a 58 tick retracement. So, take a short, take a long, take what you see. Like, if you see your short setup, play your short setup. I'm gonna have to keep a really short stop on this play. 23, 727 is a really deep retracement for that. Yeah, I'm gonna be quick with this Nas trade. This is a very risky trade. I hate taking trades when it's already expanding, but I'ma trust it and I'ma play it. Look out in your hand. She spoke words of wisdom to the basement people, to the basement. Many surprises. The basement people, to the basement. Oh, you know I'm gonna find you. You know that the going. Everybody can be I hate that I took that because it's like my stop loss that I really want. I want it down here, but I'm not gonna get that stop loss. I'm gonna keep a tight stop loss on this one. All right, we're gonna look at gold again. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Not sick, not swinging it. Yeah, I would still be playing, looking for Nas to long up a little bit. Then even if it fell back down, I'll just be looking to add more to buy back in. I'm looking for like I really want like that deeper retracement on Nas, but I don't think we get it just yet. I thought we were going to get it here when I was short here. Then we continued to long. We just did like a 50. I think it was a 38 or the 50% retracement back down. Yeah, 50% retracement. Then we just loaned again. Then also just looking at quarters as well too. I could see it. I could see it continuing. Yeah. I could see it continue to long. And if it does pull, I'll be looking at this 750 quarter. And if we get some respect right there, then I'll just be buying it again and just taking it right back to the 24. But you just take it day by day, see what you see, keep running your levels. And just see exactly what plays we get every day. Buying even more. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this first initial small trade on Nash stop loss close. Then what I did also, I set a limit by. So just in case if they do want to pull it back, I'm not risking a lot. Then right when they pull back, I'll be able to make the money back off the bounce. Almost said, let me look at Bitcoin. Bro, I'm not ever trading that shit no more, bro. I'm not trading that Bitcoin no more. That fucking Bitcoin is so irritating, bro. I'm going after the highs so you don't know where price is going to go past it. Yeah, that's why you kind of use your fib. You use your fib to kind of like have a good a better understanding of where price is headed and where it's going to reverse it. That's how I do it. I use my fib a lot and to understand like where they're gonna run up on price, derivatives, everything like that. I love the fib. Like even now, like I'm at the point now to where, bro, I don't even like use fair value gaps or like order blocks really to enter. Like I enter literally based off my fib. I'll enter in based off my fib levels. I'll set a limit order, stop loss, everything off my fib, and be chilling. Like I'm not like waiting. I'm not waiting. Like it might be some setups where you know I might use the FEG or order block and because I might be waiting for that. But I could just set up my fib levels and just take the trade. And that's how I was able to catch Nas earlier. Like I caught Nas, like literally I caught Nas when it reversed. And I was able to catch that reversal just off fib levels. Really wanna do. This how I caught it earlier right here. I ran that fib on that manipulation. Then I saw we was getting a rejection by that 200. And I saw these rejection on that 200. I was like, oh yeah. I'm like, oh yeah, this shit about to loan back. And I got in my loan. And I just run that fib. Like you run that fib in your accumulation range and you know exactly how far they want to manipulate the price lower before they reverse. 618. No, I could show you where I got in at exactly. Oh, for my fib though, I like to use mostly higher time frame. How do you get entries on such a higher time frame? Easy. Shit, I just enter off of fib because I use my higher time frame zones always, weekly, daily, 4 hour, and like I could still enter off a 5 minute, 15 minute, wherever. Yeah, I can show you on my fib. You said is Nas going down, Alin? I don't think Nas is going down yet. But no, I look at higher time frames to map out overall price direction, like market structure. I'm not looking at a 15-minute market price action to tell me what the hell is going on. I'm only looking at that for entry. Oh, but yeah. So like, usually just real quick for my field, like, if I write a fib here, I enter in. So here, I will be entering in for a sale at the 70 between my 6-1 and 88 zone. So between my 6-1 and 88 zone, I'll be looking for selling position. Then, like even for here, if I ran my fib here, so that's why you run multiple levels too. So it's called like a fib cluster. So when price, if I have two different fibs, I'd also tell me like my discount and premium ranges. So same thing from here between 6-1 and 88. If price was to retrace back down here, I would be looking for a long. So just depending on how you run your fib and how you look at your levels, you could be looking for different plays. That's why I say, bro, like you can catch plays in both directions. Like I can catch this short just for running a fib from here to here. I would have been able to catch this short down into my next buying range. So that's what I like. Like that's like a lot of things. That's what I like to do. Like sometimes I might just let it sit, but look, I would have been able to catch you able to catch this short, boom, right up to 70, right into your next buying range. So you able to catch your short right back into your long. And I use my higher time frame because my higher time frame confluence is over everything. Like I'm not looking at a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute market, like price action and market structure determining what price is doing. I'm looking at my weekly, daily, and monthly to understand how price is moving. And I'm running like I'm running my real um I'm running my real like fib levels on my higher time frame. Mm-mm-mm. No, I'm not on the trade for hours. What? User, I appreciate your follow. No, you're not on a trade. You're not on the market for hours. I mean, sometimes I am, but it kind of depends if I'm like session trading or not. But no, you set your levels. When price gets to your level, you enter in. Just like that. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, but I could still enter in. Like I still sometimes enter in on a 15 minute. I might enter in on a 5 minute. I mean, shit. Like I could be looking at different type of things. So it kind of just depends on the setup and the trade. But I'm like more confident in my fib levels, so it's like once I know price get to my level, I just enter in, set my little pending order, set my stop loss, and just let price do what it do until it hit take TP or stop loss. Bro, this goal has been so annoying. Like it's acting like it don't want to just go. That goal fucking playing, bro. But yeah, we're just gonna let these sit. Swing trade these, let these sit. I keep taking profit on that goal because it like I keep expecting it to keep falling, then they'll fall, then they'll want to come back up, take some profit, and fall again, and it's like, all right, bro, what are we doing? But hopefully, y'all see some setups tonight. I most definitely been in love with like live account way more. I need that. I need a price look like this right now a little bit. This is what I'm expecting to happen. I'm expecting price to get us another dump. I'm expecting Nas to continue to kind of long up. And that's what I'm gonna be swing trading. Yeah, it can go down, it can do whatever it want, but long term, I'm still expecting it to hit at 24 before I would be looking for my reversal. Like I would be looking at price up there to see, okay, what is price doing here? And I just match all of that up with just like quarter theory, fib level, whatever. You can put in volume profile to get the same kind of levels. Actually, I know some people might want to know how to do that, so this is how. This real quick. I don't really go over this, but this is how you use your volume profile. Right quick. It's something called low volume nodes. Mark that shit right in these right here, the little divots, real quickly. These are called low volume nodes. They can use these kind of like supply and demand zones. So that's something you should look into if you're interested. I don't think that's something I'ma like go over like that. Oh, I didn't know I can do that. I bet. We haven't broke any. We haven't broke any structure yet. Oh, nice. So yeah, we haven't broke anything yet. We write it as hourly OB here. So even if you just want to mark that out, you could. Boom. So I'll just leave that marked out. And this one I'm saying, so I will mark this out on a higher time frame. Then I would drop down to a 15 minute. So I'm on my 15 minute now. So I'll mark that out on a higher time frame. Then I'll drop down to a 15 minute. Then I will watch and see how a 15 minute, like how my candles react on a 15 minute. What am I looking? Are you expecting a new all-time high pullback? Okay, so what I also see too, also use quarters theory as well, and just like how we close out above this, that 750 range, really bullish above that 750 range, and this really isn't like like we're having some rejection here, but this isn't a big rejection to me. So like look at it at a higher time frame too. Like at a higher time frame, when you look at it at the 4 hour, like this is just one little red candle. I'm not seeing like a crazy wick down. Like I'm not seeing price like a wick down and price closing below. So we'll see how the 4 hour react. Like if we close out below here, then I could be like, okay, we can get like a little pullback. But even then, if we get a pullback, I still see that continuation higher. And I just see that like we haven't broke any structure. We haven't took out any lows. We're still making higher highs and higher lows. So that's what I see. Like we haven't broke anything just yet for me to be like, okay, like this is what I'm targeting for a short. Like I can still swing trade this long, but I can also still take a short. Like I can still take a short right back down into this range and still be in a swing trade low. So, but yeah, but for me now, long term, me swing trading in long term, I would be still be looking for like, so even if it dumped down, I'll still be looking for just buys and buying it back up. And I also see it that way because I'm also looking at like, I'm also looking at my fib levels that I'm running as well. Yeah. Oh, here. This is what I would want to see. Price will have to close out below. But we close out above. We're still holding out above. We haven't displaced lower. Like we haven't wicked down or displaced lower yet. So this is why I'm still like thinking we expand a little bit higher. Then drop. But that's why you just gauge it. Like I'm just gonna keep watching it, keep gauging it because we can get like crazy news or something and price decides to like, okay, price decides to dump now. But as far as right now, I'm not looking for that. Dan, I appreciate your follow. But yeah, that's what I would be looking at. Even in here, close out above the 200. We didn't get any rejection wicks or anything right here. You can go down to your 1 hour too. Like everything is above. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm looking for it to still expand a little bit higher. Before, like if we was getting rejection up here, then I would be looking for a short, boom, right back down to this zero, taking out these lows, right back down into my zone here. But but like I keep saying, like if you see a short, like you could like somebody could have still caught this short. Like you could still catch your shorts or whatever play that you see, a long or short, whatever you might see, you can still catch it. Like there isn't just one right answer in the market. Take what you see. Like you might see a pullback, take it. Just because I might not see it or I might not be playing, don't mean you don't have to play what you personally see in the market. Yeah, any pullback, I'd be looking along. I'd be looking along that. Boom, boom.
But just wait and see. Because if I see that, like if I see Nas want to give a deeper retracement, I'm most definitely gonna try to take it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I don't see the deeper retracement happening now. It's okay. Sunshine, sunshine. I could fall in love right here. I could fall in love right here. We have to start breaking some structure. Mm, yeah. I keep looking to see if I see anything different, but I don't. I'm trading Nas and gold. Switching between Nas and gold. We were just there on the party. Everything just moving so nasty right now. Everything just mellowing out. Let's get loose. We still under this 200. We were just there and we still rejecting off this 350 quarter. Bro. This shit just need to drop. Like there's nothing holding. Like it just need to go. It should have been dropped. Like gold should have dropped today when Nas was longing. Rejected off the 200 and the 35. Come on now. Them 200 moving averages trades looking nice on gold on that higher time frame. I ain't gonna fake it. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Much I appreciate your follow. Hello at the moment. Sell by scheme is possible. At the moment, sell by scheme is possible. Help you? I don't think I can help you. This is there at the party. This there at the party. But yeah, alright. That's it. That's all I see. I'm gonna look at Nas again. I'm not really seeing anything else. She said, "Take your time. What's the rush?" Even over this 40, I need to stay above. Yeah, bro. Look at that. I'm just gonna be watching Nas. I'm still gonna be playing that back longer. I'm a dog. Yeah. Still be playing this gold short. The market just chilling right now. Yeah, market just chilling right now. That's why I like swing trading. I like swing trading way more than day trading. Take your time. What's that right? I might do a quick little back test right quick before I get off, but yeah, I'm not really seeing nothing more. Like even when I run my fib on gold, like where we reject that, it's the same zone every single time. 6-1 between 88, boom. Reject, move lower. Like I still see it continuing lower. Like I still see it continuing lower, bro. I don't know. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. Yeah, bro. 250. Yeah, I'm playing 250. I'm not giving. I already gave my call out. I ain't giving no more call outs. Sorry, bro. Agent too slow. It could be like that. I mean, agent session is your accumulation phase, so you just gotta know what phase of the market you in. That will let you know like how the market gonna move. Like right now, we just got done expanding. So what we gonna do next? We gonna accumulate. So everything just gonna be slowed down and accumulation. So once you like know that, it kind of just helps. only if you tried New York Open. Who's to say I don't trade New York Open? But yeah, I mean it moves a lot faster, of course. But I like the Asia session. I'm trading Nasdaq and gold. But yeah, if I was on the eval, I wouldn't even be taking the trade. Like I'm only just taking these swing trading trades. But if I was on my eval, I still wouldn't. I wouldn't take anything right now. I would kind of just be waiting. Just mark out my zones and be waiting. But yeah, I feel though, especially like a lot of people are not used to it. Like I started off trading Asia session, so I'm so used to it. I'm so used to trading it because that's just what I've learned, and that's just what I trade daily for real. Yeah, this most definitely can be a chop sesh. Every session is a different. Every session is a different phase in the market, so it just makes trading a lot easier. Yep, you just watch your Asia session and get prepared for your New York session. Because once you know what your Asia session doing, you already know what to expect in your New York session. And here it is right here. Here it is right here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution back lower. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution back lower. Oh, it's just all AMD, and it's the same thing plays out in your sessions too. This is what so this would be your Asia session right here. This is what Asia session does here. Accumulate. This would be your London session here. Expanding in the opposite direction, taking out we either taking out some equal highs or equal lows. Then this would be your New York session. Displacing back lower. So look for that. You light one up and chill back. No, on me, bro. Not on me. I feel you. Yeah, you just gotta watch it though. Just watch each session just to see what it does. Like okay, our London distributed lower. So okay, my New York session. What am I looking for it to do? All right, I'm looking for my New York session to accumulate. Then I'm looking for my Asia session to manipulate. Or you can have a double accumulation, or you can have accumulation, or you can have a manipulation and distribution all in the same session. So that's why it's also important just to know what your previous session did. It just makes you an even better and sharper trader, especially if you're in a combine. Pathway, I appreciate your follow. I'm gonna use the restroom right quick. But yeah, I might be basically done for the night for real, for real. Like, I don't really see anything else. And I'm not really in my combine too, so it's not like I'm just taking multiple trades or swing trading is a lot more boring. But I'll be right back though, y'all. even see, bro. Text. And then this is on Nas. I'll be seeing if we end up breaking this low, or if we reject off and continue back higher. Because these are 2 order blocks here. So this is what I'll be looking to see if we break these lows. If we break these lows, I'll be expecting price to pull back a little bit more, or we gonna get rejection here and close out a higher above this order block. I'm gonna do like a quick look back testing thing right here. June 5th, 2022. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. A lot of times when I do my back test, I like to just run my field. Just like we manipulating higher. And this might reverse back down lower. You got a tiger that you lost in Christmas garden. You're not confident. Why does it look like this on a weekly? Extra read all about it. That's why I don't like this. On a weekly, it look different. Yeah, on a weekly, this look like a long. Yes, you can't get out of it. Yeah, on a weekly, that look like a long. Lower low, lower low. Check out this high and create a higher low. We can create a lot higher low here. That's a long. That's a long back up to the top. Yeah, we ran all the way down to the 400. Hold on, yeah. That might be a long. I hate that. It look different on the weekly, bro. All-time highs is pretty crazy. Yeah. When you look at the daily, it looked like it want to drop a little bit more. Then when you go to your weekly, it looked like prices already dropped. Like, why does it look like this? I might take this trade off the weekly if I can. Well, I don't even know if I can. Hold on. Because on a daily, it looked like it come back down. I might just take that. I'm losing my search, and I was This why I don't like back testing on here, bro. Cause when I go to the weekly, I say I'm up 575. But when I go to my daily, it says I'm down $185. Bro, this is why I do not like back testing on TradingView, bro. They just be making stuff up. I don't get it. There it is. This is a long. Oh, you my soul. I want to take this off. Okay, hold on. I knew that shit was shortened down. Ooh, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Bro, the fib, I'm telling you, bro, the fib is all you fucking need. Hold on. And Mighty Cats this shit right back up. $113. It's gonna reverse at the 113. Yep, 113. Let's see how far down it went to run up on liquidity. Let's go to the weekly since we ran into the weekly. 138 on the week. Like, why is the fib changing? I'm gonna need to go on FX replay. $138. Then this is where we just be waiting to try to catch the up move on it. So good, Look and see, what do we have unmitigated? Boom, here it is. This order block is mitigated here. This is the unmitigated order block there. Yep. Can't you see? Not yet. There it is. I'm gonna try to catch this back up. That's what I'm trying. I'm trying to get better at, like, I want to like catch that full leg. Like, I'm already getting better at it, but I need to get better at running at like my fib level to get even better at it. Okay, with me, I'm yours, pretty girl. Save me from this world of confusion. 25. Really, can't you see? All that to me for a reason. Oh no, go back. I'm yours, pretty girl. Save me from this world. Hopefully this make a little sense to some of y'all. Or what I like to do. No, I'm on a live account now. But yeah, I still gotta do my I'm gonna get back in my combine though. I'm just back testing some knives, trying to run some, just running my fib levels. Trying to get better at it. Yo, this is for me. for a reason. I'm trying to get better at catching like them full, like my full reversal legs, like I like. Oh, it's pretty darling. Okay, take. Oh no. Okay. Take profit. Take profit fib. Not reversal fib. Take profit fib. Take profit fib. Take profit fib. Take profit. If I run my take profit, I'm seeing how far they're going to run up before they reverse. Okay. Equal highs. That's not it. My fault. I'm trying to see something. Boom. Okay. I run fib like this to see how far they're going to run down before they reverse. Right. How far are they going to run up on liquidity? Running from my top. What about top to my bottom to see how far they're going to run up on liquidity? Could have a TP right here at the 100, 200. Hold on. I might actually do that. Nah. I'm about to try something. Oh my god, this is going. Don't pay attention to the bounce on this joint. This shit about to look horrible, probably. I'm trying to get better at setting this stop loss and taking this take profit to kind of catch that full leg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half profit at the. I'm gonna take profit 1 at the 100. I'm gonna take profit 2 at the 200. But this is a really long leg. A really long leg that I'm trying to catch here. Like it looks like it's ready to reverse here. Hold on, bro. Okay. That had to be the negative. That gotta look like the negative 361 that we reversed at. I bet you we probably reversed at the negative 361. Come on. Negative 361. Negative 4. We reversed at the 400. Negative 400. This is like nerve wracking. Hard one sound. I'm on TradingView. It's just institutional reversal levels, like liquidity levels, where like you can backtest them yourself too, but levels that price likes to reverse said hit. So yeah, that's why I have different levels, so many different levels on my field. I mean, you could most definitely sim it down. Maybe you just have the 88 and the 70, but I like to visually see them all. Uh, like a lot of these I don't even like. Some of these I don't even use. Like I don't need. I don't need the 70. I don't need the 7 cent. With you, baby, you, baby. There you go. Maybe you like some of that a little bit better, but well, we still looking for that reversal same in the same zone between our 618 and our 88. Yeah, price likes to retrace down. What did I say? And what did I say? It's the same. This is why I got the levels on my field between the 618 and 88. That's where price like to like reverse from. And those are just little plays like I like to catch, and that's how I'm like I can like catch like bottom tick a lot of plays, top tick or bottom tick, and look at that shit. With you, baby, with you. What I say I'm taking profit at? I'm taking profit at the 100. Oh, we hit the 100. Well, no, almost. Hopefully, I still see this expanding up. Take profit one. Boop. So we take one contract off the table. Take profit two at the 200. This is a really big move. I know where you're going. The 161 can see a little pullback. Okay, boom. So we got a pullback here, but that was right at the 161. And you run a fib here. If price want to do a deep retracement. Okay, if price. So two things when I'm like looking at like a continuation. Price can either stop between the 38 and 50% zone, and that's right at an FVG on a weekly. Boom. So price can stop here, or price does a deeper retracement. What am I looking for? Price to go between my 61, my 61 and my 88% for my buy for a continuation higher. So we can keep that 38 to 50 zone right here, and you can just see how price react. And see if price don't react here, I'd be looking to see, okay, how does price react at one of my other zones. And what do we have here? This is just another order block there. And this would tell me like, okay, if I should take profit or if I should just, you know what I'm saying? Like if I should get out to play or just let it ride. Okay? We between my 618 and my 88 zone. And what did price do? We got a little bit of retracement. I will still be holding this. Okay. Price getting a little bit down, so I'm moving my stop loss up. Boom. Take profit hit. Okay. Then I'll just get out of that play, take full profit, and be done. Now, I still see this play retracing back higher. We're still at the 88, but that 88 zone was right at my entry. And I would rather not lose profit on that play. So boom. Still here. Hold on. I can really mark it out. This would be that order block here on that week. I'll still be looking for this zone for a reversal. Got the tone. We're gonna look at tone. Look in my eyes. Nah, it's just back tested right now. But I'm currently trading Nas in gold. Boom. I'm back in there. The time to call my phone. Don't leave me. I'm back in there, targeting the same thing. She goes, yeah. Stop loss hit. I'm about to get in there again. Yeah, they brought me for. Got you mad, let it go. Put it hard, couldn't do it no more. Then you can't say, let it go. Let it go. Tell me where to go, then never let it go. Run my heart on, hold on. You know, to touch your tongue. We went right back into the same little order blocks. You got the answer. I want that. I want that trade. Mm-hmm. I want it. Like, I see it. Okay, so here, if I'm in this, I would want to secure profit. So I would take profit. I would take profit. Honestly, to be safe, I would take profit at this 6-1. Take half profit off the table at the 6-1 here. I'm only in one contract here, but we'll just let it play out. I wouldn't take profit yet. I wouldn't want to take profit yet. Still hold it off. Still hold it off. Still holding my trade. A lot of rejection right here. Still holding. Oh my goodness, there's so much rejection right here. Hold on. I'm still in that. It's like it's just steady. It's steadying right now. I still like want it. It's like it don't want to go. Oh, I should have entered in again. Okay. I'm settling. I'm settling with profit there. Then possibly re-enter. What's the word? This. All right. I really want to catch this leg. That's what I'm waiting on. I really want that leg. Oh, let's look back on Nas still holding up in that zone. Hasn't closed out below it. Check this low yet. Gold doing the same little thing, teeter tiring around. Okay, that works. We still just gonna be swinging these trades, holding them. But what the fuck is this market, bro? Like, okay, price came to the 50. Boom, continue lower. this it now? Is it finally pulling in now? I'm about to enter that again if it pulled back down. So it went up to the 6-1. I could have just waited to take that TP1. Boom. Okay. I might do it. Rejection at the 7-5. And it's the thing, like I want to hold this trade out until it get to the top, but should I just hold it? I might just hold it. This might look better on the monthly if it let me look at it. Ah, yep. This looks good. I'm about to hold this shit, bro. Oh man, if you see your shorts, take your shorts. Oh, this 4-hour does not look good. That does not look good. Oh yeah, I'm taking profit. That does not look good, brother. I'm take my profit right there. All right. I might be done for the night. All right, we're in that gold trade and we're in that Nas trade. We just gonna be letting those sit until they hit TP. Yeah, I'll be watching Nas to see if it broke this low or not. If it doesn't break that low, I'm still gonna be holding that long. If it don't break that low, I'm gonna just continue to hold that long. You close what you close out in for today. I'm still in my trades today. Well, I'm in my trades for the night, but I took a gold and a NASDAQ trade. I made 50 on my live account earlier from those. So, but I entered two more trades that I'm in now. Yeah, was able to make a little profit earlier. I'm about to start sizing up though. It's time to start sizing up some plays. So instead of doing like 2 to 3 pennies on gold, you start doing 4 to 5 pennies. Then on Nasdaq, instead of doing like 10 cent, I'm gonna start doing 25, 50. So that's what I'm about to start doing. Like on my good setups too. Like, yeah, I'm looking for Nas to displace back higher here. I'm not looking forward to break that 813. But if it does break that 813, I got a limit order at that 727 where it will take me out. I will lose $2 and it will dip down and I'll be re-enter right back into that long. I want that. The short I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to catch this short back down here. That's what I'm waiting on. All right, y'all. Uh, 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 uh. It's Nasdaq. Nasdaq. You can short any market if you see a setup. I'm swinging a gold short. Mm-mm-mm-mm. But all right, if y'all need me, y'all know where to find me. I don't think I'm gonna be live tomorrow. My girl coming over tomorrow, so I'm probably just gonna hang with her tomorrow night. Then I'll be back on live Thursday. All right, but shit. All right, y'all. I'll post these trades. It depends on what they do. If they hit TP, then I post them in my TikTok and on my Discord. But I just update y'all on these trades. I'll be back Thursday. If you need me, you know where to find me. All right, y'all have a blessed night, a blessed rest of y'all week, and hopefully y'all make some money this week.